No, so I need your rear.
Hey, it's on the ground.
Right?
It's on the ground in my garage.
I need a Fox rear end.
Dakota?
Oh, he's gonna smoke that thing. He really is. That's a plus.
I think he's doing
What? Yeah, it ain't rubber. Well, he's got a little bolt going on.
That's all clutch.
Oh, that's clutch. Clutch. Should smoke. If he doesn't blow the clutch up.